Next point is we are discussing about agricultural options. In that today we are discussing about seed production process. Seed production will be there. In that seed production process we are discussing. The seed development consists of a conversion of the integument of the ovule into a resistant seed coat, the development of the endosperm and the development of the embryo. All these events take place within the original ovary. After fertilization, the zygote divides mitotically. Next point is what are the stages of seed production? In paddy, depending on the demand, 3 or 4 or 5 stages of seed multiplications are permitted under the seed certification program as follows. Breeder seed, foundation, seed, certified seed. Breeder seed, foundation seed, stage 1, foundation seed, stage 2, certified seed. And next point is what are the 5 steps of seed production? What are the 5 steps of seed production? The process of seed germination includes the following 5 changes or steps: inhabitation, respiration, effect of light on seed germination, mobilization of reserves during seed germination, and role of growth regulators, and the development of the embryo axis into a seedling. Next point is what are the methods of seed production? Selection of soil, raising of seedlings, direct sowing of seeds, and next 4th point is preparation of land and transplantation of seedlings. And next point is what is seed production? Seed production means all the operations leading up to and including final harvesting of the seed from the seed crop field. Sample 1, 2 and 3. And next point is what are the 4 stages of seed development? 4 stages of plant life cycle. Flowering plants go through several stages: germination, pollination, fertilization and dispersal. This is the stage at which the plants begin to sprout from the seed. In this case, the seed's root develops beneath the earth, while the upper body, stem and levels grow above it. Next point is what are the 6 steps in producing good seeds? Next point is the time to establish from seed, 3 to 5 years. 6 steps to successfully seeding is: step 1 is select a site, step 2 analyzing your site, and step 3 select proper plant spaces for your site, and step 4 is management. And the next point is what are the 8 steps in sowing seeds? When direct sowing seeds, following these steps: prepare the garden bed. Prepare an area of your garden by pulling back any mulch and pulling out any weeds or old plants. Sow the seeds. Place the seeds into the soil twice as deep as the seed is wide. Water in the seeds. Thin the seedlings out. Watch them grow. And next point is what are the 4 methods of sowing seeds? Traditional method. A funnel-shaped tool is used to sow the seeds traditionally. Broadcasting. In this process, the seeds are scattered on the seed beds either mechanically or manually. Drilling, and next is drilling, and seed dropping behind the plow. Transplantation, that is next is transplanting, next hill dropping, and check row planting. And next point is what are the seeding techniques? The main types of seeding methods are broadcast, grain drill with grass seed attachment, and corrugated roller, band seeder, which adds fertilizer below onto the side of the seed. And this is the information. And next point is what are the different types of seed processing plant? The following 5 types of seed processing units are approved by the Director of Seed Certification to carry out the certification works. Seed processing and tagging unit. Seed processing and tagging unit. Ginning unit. Ginning processing and tagging unit. Delighting unit. Cleaning and tagging unit. What are the 6 steps of seed germination? Next point is, what are the 6 steps of seed germination? That is, learn the 6 plant growth stages. Sprout. Each seed contains a small parcel of nutrients, that is all they need to germinate and begin growing their first pair of leaves. And the next point is seedlings. In these 6 steps, next step is seedlinging and vegetative, then budding, then flowering and ripening. And next point is, what are the methods of planting? In general, there are 2 methods of planting crops: direct seeding and transplanting. Direct seeding is either by broadcast, hill, dibble, or by drill method. The hill and the drill methods are alternative options in row planting. Next point is, what are the 7 stages of plant growth? Different stages of plant growth is germination, then leaf development, then forming of side shoots, that means branches. Likewise, it will come likewise. And stem elongation, growing the stem, and vegetative plant parts, inflorescence emergence, and flowering, and fruiting development. Fruit development. This is the 7 stages. These are the 7 stages of plant growth. So this information, seed production process, will give a basic idea those who are in the formations of all these things, and especially in agriculture. This will give you a basic idea. And in depth, we can see so many videos and so many subjects you should study also. But for this seed production process, this is the fundamental basics to you to understand it. Wishing you all the best.